Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by stating exactly what you need the email to do: inform, persuade, or schedule. Once done, name the recipient type and the tone, concise, friendly, formal, and collect the 3 facts the AI must include. Next, open your chosen AI tool or plugin. Select an email template that matches your goal. Make sure to set language and length parameters. Then provide the AI with your single sentence goal, audience note, and the 3 facts so it can generate a focused first draft. Once you have a first draft, read for purpose and pace. Make sure the opening line hooks the reader and the benefit appears early. Then edit the subject into a clear 6 to 10 word phrase and tighten paragraphs into scannable chunks. Use the AI to rewrite the tone or to shorten sentences. Ask it for 2 alternative CTAs and pick the strongest. Make sure to verify dates, numbers, and links. If you need specificity, instruct the AI to include one statistic or example in the body. You finalize by personalizing tokens like name and role, checking grammar, and confirming links and attachments. Once satisfied, send a test email to yourself or a teammate to confirm formatting across devices. If anything looks off, revert to the previous version, simplify your prompt, and ask the AI for a concise fix. Make sure to keep versions labeled with timestamps. One troubleshooting tip: if output is generic, supply one concrete example and a strict word limit. That usually
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.